Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super fun and interactive on Spotify: how to start a group session. If you're tired of listening to music alone or coordinating playlists over calls, this feature is a game changer. It lets you and your friends jam out together in real time, no matter where you are. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a group session? It's Spotify's way of turning your solo listening into a shared experience. With it, you can control the same playlist collaboratively, adding songs, skipping tracks, and voting on what's next. It's perfect for virtual hangouts, study groups, or even surprise parties. But remember, you'll need a Spotify Premium account to host or join one, as it's not available on the free tier. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone or computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for everything to work smoothly. Now, pick the song or playlist you want to share. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Connect to a Device icon. It looks like a speaker or devices connecting. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start a Group Session. Tap it, and Spotify will generate a link or invite code. Share that with your friends via text, social media, or any messaging app. When they join, they'll see the same playlist, and you can all take turns controlling it. It's that simple. A quick tip: for the best experience, make sure everyone is on a stable internet connection. If someone can't join, double-check that they have Premium and are using the app correctly. And if you're hosting, you can end the session anytime by going back to the settings. There you have it. Starting a group session on Spotify is easy and a ton of fun. Give it a try with your crew and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.